2024 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 9,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Get a fast and easy price quote today